Listen to me carefully. This is not a video. This is an intervention. Look at your life right now. Look at your bank account. Are you satisfied? Do you feel powerful? The answer is no. If the answer was yes, you would not be here. You are here because you sense a glitch in the matrix. You feel that something is wrong with the way the world operates. You work hard. You study. You save. But the result is always the same. Stagnation. The feeling of running on a treadmill that is going nowhere. Today, I am going to explain exactly why this happens. I am going to explain it using science. Using mathematics. There is no emotion in this video. There is only cold, hard truth. Most people in India are living in a biological trap. Your brain is not designed for success. Your brain is designed for survival. It is designed to keep you safe and comfortable. It is designed to conserve energy. In the modern world, safety is poverty. Comfort is failure. Conservation of energy is laziness. You are fighting a war against your own biology. And right now, you are losing. Every time you try to start a business, every time you try to learn a high-value skill, your brain screams at you. It releases chemicals to make you feel fear. This is the limbic system. The lizard brain. It wants you to stay in the cave. It wants you to be average. Because average is safe. The herd is safe. But you do not want to be safe. You want to be rich. You want to be the top 1%. To do that, you must rewrite the code. You must hack your own operating system. Let's talk about the mathematics of failure. I call this the principle of entropy. In physics, entropy is the measure of disorder. The universe naturally moves towards chaos and decay. If you do nothing, your life will decay. If you do not actively build wealth, you are actively becoming poorer. Inflation eats your money. Age eats your energy. Competition eats your opportunities. Standing still is mathematically impossible. You are either climbing or you are falling. Most of you are falling, but you don't realize it because the fall is slow. It is like the boiling frog. The water gets hotter by 1 degree. You adjust. You adapt to the mediocrity. And then, you boil to death. You die with regret. This is the tragedy of the Indian middle class. We are taught to be safe. We are taught to get a degree and a job. We are taught to serve someone else's dream. This is a broken algorithm. It is an equation that always equals 0. Input equals labor. Output equals salary. Salary minus expenses equals 0. There is no accumulation. Wealth is not linear. Wealth is exponential. You need to understand the function of exponential growth. Y equals A times B to the power of X. In the beginning, the curve is flat. You work for days. You work for months. You see no results. This is where 99% of men quit. They say, this is not working. They say, it is a scam. But they do not understand the math. They are in the flat part of the curve. They stop digging just 1 inch before the gold. The 1% understand the math. They know that if they keep pushing, the curve will bend. It will go vertical. This is the hockey stick graph. The explosion of wealth. But you must survive the flat line. You must survive the valley of disappointment. How do you survive? By removing your emotions from the equation. Emotions are variables that ruin the calculation. Fear is a variable. Laziness is a variable. You must become a constant. Your discipline must be a constant. Your vision must be a constant. When the variables of life change, the constant remains. Let me tell you about isolation. Look at the eagle. The eagle flies alone. The pigeon flies in a flock. The pigeon is safe, but it eats scraps. The eagle is alone, but it hunts. If you want to rewrite your neural pathways, you must isolate yourself. You cannot listen to broke friends. You cannot listen to scared family members. You cannot listen to a society that wants you to be a worker bee. You must shut out the noise. You need a period of monk mode. No distractions. No cheap dopamine. No scrolling. Just you and your mission. This creates a vacuum. The universe hates a vacuum. When you empty your life of garbage, the universe must fill it. If you are focused on success, the universe will fill it with success. This is not magic. This is physics. Action and reaction. Karma is Newton's third law. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. If your action is weak, the reaction is weak. If your action is massive, the reaction is massive.